Yeah.
Hi children. Hi ma'am. So today's discussion is about trigonometry. To find out distances, heights and slopes, we have a special branch of science, mathematics, that is trigonometry. By using special techniques with the help of triangles, we can find out the heights, distances and slopes. Okay, what do we call it as? Trigonometry. Suppose if we want to find out the height of a long, tall tower. Okay, you may be thinking that how triangle is not there. Is that triangle? No, we will imagine a triangle. Suppose a person is looking from the foot of the triangle at a foot of the tower at a particular distance from that tower. This is a base. He is looking at the top of the tower. Understand? So here there will be an angle formed. So this imaginary triangle, if we know the angle, if we know the sides, we can find out this height. Like that, you see, when a ladder is placed on a wall, ladder is placed like this at a particular, making a particular angle like this. So we can find out the ladder's length. We can even find out this distance. So for finding out these all, there is a special technique, that is trigonometrical ratios. So that branch of mathematics is trigonometry. So suppose here, if you take a right angled triangle, Uday, it's a right angled triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Means it is 90 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the side opposite to the right angle?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. Okay, good. So now, this side, which is opposite to the right angled triangle, right angle, is known as hypotenuse. The side opposite to the 90 degree angle. This is always the biggest side. Hypotenuse is always bigger than the other two sides. The other two sides are AC and AB. So if we say one thing more, these two angles, Manasa, what do you think about these two angles? Are they obtuse or are they acute? These two angles are acute angles. These two angles are acute angles. Okay. So when one is 90 degree angle, the other two will be acute angles. So with respect to the acute angle B, okay, with respect to the acute angle B, AC is nothing but its opposite side, and AB or BA, that is its adjacent side. With respect to angle B, side AC is opposite side and side AB is adjacent side. Okay. Now, Virendra, can you say with respect to angle C, with respect to angle BI is the adjacent side. So when the angle changes, opposite side and the adjacent side also changes, but the hypotenuse never changes. That will be the same thing only. Okay. So these ratios of opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse and all comes under a branch of maths known as trigonometry. Said trigonometrical ratios. Okay, there are 6 trigonometrical ratios. 6 trigonometrical ratios. Okay, Prasanna, can you say what are the 6 trigonometrical ratios?
Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot.
Okay, sine, cos, tangent. We shortly call it as tan. Sec, cosecant. Shortly we call cosec. Secant. Shortly sec. And cotangent. Shortly cot. So these 6 ratios. Let me tell you what are they. I'm quite sure that you know it. What is sine theta? What is sine? Prasad, can you say what is sine? This sine, always shortly we can write it as sine. So what is sine? In general, let me write theta. Okay. If the angle is B, we will write sine B. The angle is A, we will write sine A. Understand? Generally, let me call it as theta. So sine theta.
Opposite side
Yeah.
of angle theta
Yeah.
by hypotenuse.
Good. Opposite side of angle
Theta
theta by hypotenuse. So, can you say, Vishnu, what is sine B here? What is sine B?
AC
AC?
by CB.
AC by
CB.
C. AC by?
BC.
This is correct. CB or BC, right? Sit down. So, I asked him what is sine B. In general, sine theta. Theta means any angle, generally, we said. So, opposite side of angle theta by hypotenuse. So, now I asked him what is sine B. So, sine B with respect to B, sine B. What is that? It's opposite side. What is opposite side? AC. And this adjacent side, sorry, its hypotenuse CB or BC. Right? So, we can say that CA by CB. Right? Or AC by BC. So, in the same way, cos theta. Cos theta. Generally, we say that cos theta. Can you say, Roja, what is cos theta? What is cos theta?
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side of what?
Adjacent side of angle theta.
Yeah, adjacent side of angle theta. We are talking about when we are talking about angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse. So, what is adjacent side of angle theta by hypotenuse. Okay. This we can write cosine. Actually, its name is cosine. Cosine. This is sine. Right? In short form, we write cos. In the same way, there is tan theta. Means, actually tan means what? Tangent. What is? Tangent. So, tan theta is equal to, who will say tan theta? Yeah, Christopher? Say, what is tan theta?
Opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side.
Okay, very good. Opposite side of angle theta by
Adjacent side of the
adjacent side of angle theta. Very good. Sit down. Opposite side of angle theta by adjacent side of angle theta. So this is sine, cos, tan. So when we are talking about Uday, can you say what is tan theta, tan C from this triangle? Can you say what is tan C?
AB by CA.
Very good. AB by C. Because tan C means with respect to C, what is its opposite side divided by its adjacent side. Okay, Vishnu, sit down. What is cos B? Cos B. With respect to B, I am asking.
BA by
Yeah.
CB.
BA by
CB.
CB, right? Because adjacent side by hypotenuse. So we learned sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. We used the name theta angle in general. Okay. So the next three ratios are its reciprocals. The next three ratios, very easy to remember. The next three ratios are the reciprocals of sine, cos and tan. Satya, can you say what is the reciprocal of sine?
1 by cosec
1 by?
cosec theta.
Okay, 1 by cosec theta means what is the formula then?
Hypotenuse by opposite side of angle theta.
Okay. Srivani said then, what is the reciprocal of cos theta?
Sec theta.
Sec theta. Okay, what is its definition? What is its formula?
Hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Okay, Prasad. What is the reciprocal of tan theta?
Cot theta.
Cot theta. Okay, what is cot theta?
Adjacent side of theta by opposite side of angle theta.
Okay, very easy to remember, no? It's a reciprocal. So let us write sine. What is? First one, sit down, sit down. Okay, what is cosec theta? Actually cosecant theta, okay na? We simply write cosec theta. It's equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse by opposite side. Means it's a reciprocal. Next, cos theta reciprocal. What is sec theta? What is that? Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Next, what is there? Cot theta. Cot theta. It's a reciprocal. That means adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, sure. Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Cosec means cosecant, secant, cotangent. Actually, it's a short form only, cosec, sec, cot. Okay. So, we learned sine theta reciprocal is cosec theta, cos theta reciprocal is sec theta, and tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. Okay, now my question. Virendra, can you say what is sec C in this? Okay, with respect to C. Okay,
C.
what is sec C? Sec C.
CB by
Yeah. CB by?
AB.
CB by?
AB.
I asked you sec theta. Hypotenuse by?
CB.
Adjacent side.
CB by
CB by?
CA.
CA. Okay. Next. Navneet, can you say what is cot theta according to cot B? What is cot B from this figure?
BA by
Yeah.
CA.
BA by
CA.
CA. Good. So you got all the trigonometrical ratios. And let us, we can write like this also, children. Reciprocals we can show like this. sine theta equal to 1 by cosec theta we can write. Same way, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. We can write 1 by sine theta. These two are reciprocal to each other. In the same way, cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Sec means secant. Cosec means cosecant. And sec theta is equal to 1 by cos. You have to remember these all reciprocals. And one more reciprocal is there. What is that? Cot tan. Tan is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So these are the things that you have to, basic things you have to remember. Okay, and now let us go into the questions. Let us do this question in your lesson. Do this. Page number 274, do this question. Here the question is, triangle given already. A, B, C. A is a right angle. And AC is 13 centimeter. BC is also given that 5 centimeter. Here the question is, you should find out sine C, next cos C. Okay, we have to find out this one. Sine C and cos C. Okay, Vishnu, are you ready to say what is sine C? What is sine C from the figure?
Opposite side of
Yeah.
angle C by hypotenuse.
Okay, what is that? Opposite side of angle C is?
BA.
AB or BA by?
Hypotenuse.
What is the hypotenuse?
CA.
CA is the hypotenuse. Okay, BA by CA. Okay, so what it is?
30.
Can you find out directly? Is BA given?
No.
BA not given. So how will you find out BA? So the first question was how to find out BA.
Python.
Very good. What is Pythagoras theorem?
Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square.
Sit down. Very good. So see here, children. Directly we cannot find out the sine C from this figure because this side is not given. We want this side because sine C is equal to BA by opposite side. BA by hypotenuse. CA. Right. We know hypotenuse. CA we know. But we don't know BA. So first thing is to find out BA. How can we find out BA? AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. What is it? Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we can apply here. So, AC square, it's given already 13 square equal to BC square, 5 square plus AB square. So, what is AB square? AB square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. How much it is? 13 square means, how much is 13 square? 169 minus 25. So this is AB square. Okay, it's equal to 145. So what is AB? What is AB, Srivani? What is AB?
Root 144 equal to 12.
Yeah. AB square is 144. Then what is AB? Root of 144. That is equal to 12. So we got this measurement. You know, we got this side now. What is this side now? The side is 12 centimeter. The side is 12 centimeter. So now you see, we want sine C. So therefore, sine C is equal to BA. What is BA? 12 by AC equal to 30. This is the answer. In the same way, it's also asked to find out cos C. Also asked to find out cos C. You want cos C. Akshara, can you say what is cos C? What is cos C?
Cos C is 5 by 30.
5 by
30.
13. How you got it?
Adjacent side by
Okay. Cos C is equal to
adjacent side by
adjacent side. What is adjacent side?
5.
BC by hypotenuse.
C.
That is C. Okay. So what is BC?
5.
5 by
30.
C.
30.
30. So in this way, if two sides are given, if any two sides of a right angled triangle are given, we can find out the ratios. First of all, by using Pythagoras theorem, we want to find out the third side. Okay, we want to find out the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. After that, apply. We know that sin theta. What is sin theta? All of you together. What is sin theta?
Opposite side by hypotenuse.
Okay, what is cos theta?
Adjacent side by hypotenuse.
What is tan theta?
Opposite side by adjacent side.
What is cosec theta?
Hypotenuse by opposite side.
What is sec theta?
Hypotenuse by adjacent side.
Okay, what is cot theta?
Adjacent side by opposite side.
Okay, what is the reciprocal of sin theta?
1 by
Cosec theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. That means sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is equal to
1 by cot theta.
1 by
Cot theta.
Okay, let us go into the next question. See, in a triangle XYZ, angle Y is right angle. X is 17 centimeter and Y Z is 15 centimeter. Then find sin X, cos Z and tan X. Same problem, same type, same model. Okay, no need of doing that one. Same way how to do that one. You can do as homework. Next. In a triangle PQR with the right angle at Q, the value of angle P is X, PQ is 7 and QR is 24 centimeter. Then find sin X and cos X. Same type of problem or not? Same type only. That also you have to do as homework. Next question. Try this question. See. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeter. And BC minus CA is 7 centimeter. Then find sin A and tan B. Okay, it is little bit different. Okay, let us do that. Okay, see. What is it? In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C. So this place must be C. So actually triangle name is not ABC. Actually we should call it as AC, B, or otherwise we can call it as BC, A, because when we are naming a triangle, that angle at which 90 degrees is should be in the middle. So we have to call it as ACB, or we should now call it as BCA. So here one thing is given. BC plus CA equal to 23 centimeter. This one plus this one. That is given. Given. What is given? BC plus CA equal to equal to 23 centimeter. Next, BC minus CA. BC minus CA. That is also given. 7 centimeter. We have to find out. What we have to find out? Sine A and tan. Okay, do you get any idea? If you want to find out the sine and tan, we want to get the measurements of the sides. But individually the sides are not given. It is given BC plus CA and BC minus CA. So from this, can you get the value of any sides? Satya.
Elimination method.
Elimination method. That means?
By adding both, we will get one.
Okay, we have to take it as two equations. And when we add this equation, one will be eliminated. So we will get the value of one side. So these two equations, let us call it as equation number 1 and this one as equation number 2. Let us add these two equations. 1 plus 2. What will happen? These two will be eliminated. Okay, plus CA minus CA, eliminated. And BC plus BC, 2BC equal to 23 plus 7. How much we got? 30. So from this, BC is equal to 30 by 2 is equal to 15 centimeter. We got the value of BC as 15 centimeter. Now apply BC in any of the equation. Apply BC in any equation. Apply the value of. Apply the value of BC in equation number 2. That is your choice. Equation number 1 we will give. So BC we got 15 plus CA equal to 20. So what is CA? 23. 15 should be taken to that side. 23 minus 15. So it's equal to, how much is 15? 23 minus 15. Huh? 8, not 18, 8. So we got 8 centimeter. Okay. So we got the length of CA, we got BC, CA how much? 8. This is 8 centimeter. And what is? BC is 15 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. Now how to find out this one? How to find out this one? Navneet, can you say how to find out this one? We want to find out AB. You want to find out AB?
It's in the side by opposite.
No, we want to use Pythagoras theorem. What we want to use? Pythagoras theorem. AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. AC square plus BC square. So, see here AB square. We want to get AB square. So, what is AB square? 15 square plus 8 square. Therefore, AB is equal to root of 15 square plus 8 square. How much it is? 15 square. 225 plus 64. That means we get, how much is 289 will get, I think? 289. What is the root of 289? Can you say? 70. And we got the side AB also we got as 17 centimeter. This is centimeter. So very easy. Ask the sine. What is the question? Sine A and tan B. It is asked what is sine A. What is sine A? A with respect to A. Vishnu, can you say what is sine A?
15.
A opposite side?
Opposite side by hypotenuse. 15.
Yeah, what is opposite side?
15.
Yeah, BC by, we should write down first. Let us.
BC by AB.
BC by
AB.
AB. BC by
AB.
AB. So what is BC?
15 by
15 by AB
70.
70. And also asked
Tan.
tan B asked, I think. Yes, tan B is asked. Vishnu, say what is tan B?
Opposite side by adjacent side.
B opposite side is
AC.
AC by
Adjacent side.
what is
BC.
BC. So AC by
BC.
AC by BC. So what is the answer?
Eight
AC by tan B only asked. Okay, right.
8 by 15.
8 by
15.
50. Okay, understand 8 by 50. Got all of you? So this way we can find out the ratios. Now, next step. Okay, here there is a question. See, think and discuss questions. Let us discuss about it. There is a think and discuss question. Sin x is equal to 4 by 3. Does exist for any value of angle x? 4 by 3 does exist for any value of x? That is a question. Uday, can you say? Sin x is equal to 4 by 3. Does it exist?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Because hypotenuse is more.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Two answers you told. Which should I answer?
No, ma'am.
No, it does not exist.
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
Because sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. In hypotenuse is larger than other two sides. Very good, very good.
Okay. Sit down. See, we know that sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin x means it should be something opposite side of x by hypotenuse. It should be. So we know that already I told. Before the discussion itself I told. Hypotenuse always the larger side. Hypotenuse should be the larger side. Here the ratio is in 4:3 or 4 by 3. Means hypotenuse is smaller number. Is it possible? According to the discussion, hypotenuse is in the denominator. But here the denominator is smaller. But we know that hypotenuse should be larger. Among all the three sides, hypotenuse is the larger side. Largest side. So, this is not possible. Sin x will not be 4 by 3. Like this, never exist. Because hypotenuse is smaller than the opposite side. Other side. Hypotenuse is smaller. Hypotenuse cannot be smaller. It should be the largest one. Okay, next. The value of sin A and cos A is always less than 1. Do you agree? Value of sin A and cos A is always less than 1. Value of cos A and sin A less than 1. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshara. Do you agree that the value of cos A and sin A less than 1?
Yes, I agree.
Why?
Because for sin A and cos A, the denominator is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always more, so it becomes a proper fraction.
Ah, yeah. Hypotenuse is largest number we know. Okay, when any number, a largest number is coming in the denominator. Okay, suppose 1 by 4 or 3 by 4, anything, whatever be. When the largest number is there in the denominator, it is a proper fraction. We call it as proper fraction. Proper fraction is always less than 1. Okay, proper fraction is always less than 1. So cos theta and sin theta will be always a proper fraction. Why it is a proper fraction? Because the formula is sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse and cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. In both the cases, denominator, what is the hypotenuse? So hypotenuse is the biggest number. So in denominator, bigger number is there. That is why cos A and sin A is always less than 1. Okay, now next. Is tan A is a product of tan and A?
No.
No, A is only the angle. So next. Is sin A by cos A equal to tan A? Is sin A by cos A? Sin A by cos A equal to tan A. Do you agree? Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree? Vishnu?
Yes.
All of you agree. Can you say how is it present? Sin A by cos A is equal to tan A, you are saying. How?
Sine A is equal to opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. And cos A is equal to adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse. We cancel both hypotenuse. Then opposite side by adjacent side. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side.
Very good, very good. So sin A we know that. What is? This will become changed like sin A means opposite side of A by hypotenuse. Next, cos A means opposite side of A. We are talking about of A by hypotenuse. So what happens?
Cos A is adjacent side.
Sorry, here adjacent side. Hypotenuse gets cancelled. So what comes? It implies opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side by adjacent side? That is tan theta. Because tan theta formula is opposite side by adjacent side. So you got this part probably, I think. Okay, got it? Okay, is there anything to discuss in this part? Okay, here like this questions come sometimes. If example question is there, if tan A is equal to 3 by 4, then find the other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Okay, like that it can come. Tan A is equal to 3 by 4. If tan A equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Find out the other ratios of other sides of, other ratios. That means other ratios, what are the other ratios? Sine, cos, cosec, and all to be find out. So what is tan A? What is tan A? Opposite side by adjacent side. That is given in the ratio 3:4. So let us substitute in the triangle. Let us take it as A, B, C. So tan A is given. A means with respect to A, what is its opposite side? BC. That is given as 3:4. 3 by 4. That means 3:4 ratio. So let us take the number as 3K because it is the ratio given here. No? And opposite side by adjacent side. What is the adjacent side of A? This one. Let us take it as 4K. Okay. Now is it possible to find out AC? Is it possible to find out AC?
Yes, ma'am.
AC is the hypotenuse. Can you say? Uday, can you say how to find out AC?
By the Pythagoras theorem.
By the Pythagoras theorem. That means AC square is equal to
BC square plus
BC square plus
AB square.
AB square. Okay. So AC square is equal to AC square is
equal to 4k square.
yeah, 3k square
3k
plus
square plus 4k square.
4k square.
Square.
3k square means 3k whole square, 4k
Whole
square, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
9k
9k square
plus
plus
16k square.
16k square. It's equal to 25k square.
K square.
Right. So what is AC?
AC equal to
Hmm.
root square of 25
Root of
Root
square
of
root of
25 k
k
square
square. How much it is?
equal to 5 k.
5. We got AC hypotenuse as
5k.
5. So we got hypotenuse, we got opposite side, we got the adjacent side with respect to angle A. See that. So now, Prasad, can you say what is tan A? Tan A.
Opposite side by adjacent side.
What is opposite side?
3 BC
BC by
AB
BC by AB. That means 3k by
4K.
what's the final answer?
3 by 4.
3 by 4, k and k will be cancelled. Like that everything you can find.
Yes.
Okay now.
Yes, ma'am.
So for example, if you want to find out the tan A, that is tan A, tan opposite BC, A opposite BC, A adjacent AB. So we got 3k by 4k. Right? So what is the answer? 3 by 4. Right only?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this way, if it is cot theta, just reverse of the reciprocal of that. Tan we got, then means quarter.
4 by 3.
4 by 3, just to reverse it. Like that. The sine. What is sine? Just
Opposite.
answer set.
3K by 5K is equal to 3 by 5.
3 by 5. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is very important for multiple choice question. In bits, this question, compulsory question. Okay, one question based on this concept will come for bits. Okay, now.